Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system type and getting admin rights. This matters because a 64-bit installer behaves differently than a 32-bit one. Once you have backups of bookmarks and extensions, download the Chrome offline standalone installer so Windows 7 network issues don't interrupt setup. Make sure updates are applied enough to support TLS and modern ciphers. Without that, Chrome may fail. Now close Chrome and all Chrome processes so the installer can fully replace files without conflicts, and proceed to run the installer as administrator. You now focus on the file-level repair. Exit Chrome completely and kill Chrome. EXE if any processes remain, because open files block replacement. Next, rename the user data folder to preserve settings. This creates a safe restore point if you need old profiles. Run the offline installer you downloaded. It will replace corrupted binaries and update components Chrome relies on. Once done, copy back only the specific bookmarks or extensions you trust to avoid reintroducing corruption, and launch Chrome to verify basic browsing functionality. You finish by isolating residual issues. Disable all extensions and restart Chrome, because one bad extension often causes crashes, then re-enable selectively to find the culprit. Make sure your system clock and Windows root certificates are correct, since HTTPS failures can look like a Chrome break. If problems persist, create a fresh Windows user account and test Chrome there. This reveals whether profile corruption or system-level problems remain. Troubleshooting tip. If a fresh profile works, migrate bookmarks only and delete the old profile to complete the repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.